Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Soulful Shireen. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw the face of a fashion croquis. So, the face of fashion croquis is quite small, it's very teeny tiny, and you begin with creating an oval shape, or you can say an inverted egg shape. So, I keep the length of around a 1 inch and 4 blocks, or 1 inch and 1/4 of an inch, or simply 1 inch. Now I'm going to divide it in half, and I'm going to make a horizontal line dividing the section into half again, the lengthwise. Now on the upper part I am going to divide equally it into 4 equal sections, and the uppermost section will form the hairline. Now I am going to draw the eyes. So I'm going to take the center of the horizontal line on both the sides, and I'm just drawing the first eye, and I'm going to draw the other eye as well. The distance in between the eyes is that of an eye, so you can imagine that there will be like 3 eyes together, right? So I just drew the cornea and the pupils, and I'm drawing the eyebrows. I'm just trying to figure out where the eyebrows will be placed. Now in this section I am going to divide it in 2 equal parts, and I'm going to draw the ears. So the size of the ear is the size of the nose. I'm going to correct the eyes later on in this video. So this line here is the nose, and I'm going to just draw the eyelashes right now. Some upper lid and lower eyelashes. You can check out my video on how to draw a realistic eye, which is up on my channel. Okay, so I'm going to draw the nose now, and to draw the nose in a croquis face, you do not really make it very prominent. Okay, so in this section, the lower part, I just divided it into 2 equal parts, and I formed the lip and the chin. Now I'm going to make the cheekbones, add some structure to the face, add some structure to the jawline. I think the lips looked a little teeny tiny, so I'm going to draw them a little more wider. Okay, so now I think it looks much better. I'm going to draw the neck and creating some face contour and a very subtle Adam's apple. I'm drawing the collarbone now and extending the sides of the neck. Okay, so now I'm going to draw the hairline. The upper section is going to be a little more voluminous, so I erased the line which was of the egg-shaped head, and I'm making some hair now, adding some texture. Now I'm going to make the eyebrows a little more prominent and thick. And and also going to add some depth to the eyes. I hope you liked my video. Do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. Until next time, goodbye and take care.